Subtopic 2.2 Techniques of Differentiation. The learning outcomes is A. Use the basic rules of differentiation. B. Use the sum, product and quotient rules. C. Use the chain rule. D. Find the derivative of the combination of the functions using the sum, product, quotient and chain rules. And E. Find the second derivative. So for this video, saya akan ajar the first learning outcomes, which is use the basic rules of differentiation. Okay. So kita ada 3 basic rules. Okay, the first rule is fx equal to k, where k is any constant. So if you are given this kind of case where fx equal to k, where k is a constant, you akan dapat the derivative is simply 0. Derivative f prime x ataupun dy dx lah. So dy dx constant akan dapat kosong. Okay, macam example ni. Okay, case 2, fx equal to x to the power of n. So the dy dx of f prime x will be n times x to the power n minus 1. So n tu ke depan, and then the power kita tolak by 1, tolak minus 1. Okay, so for example, fx equal to x to the power of 4. So dy dx is 4x to the power of 3. Okay. The third case is fx, for the case lebih kurang case kedua, cuma dia ada constant dekat depan. Fx equal to k to the power times x to the power of n. So k is constant lah. Okay, so k is constant. So the derivative ialah k times n times x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, for example, fx equal to 5x square. So square kita bawa ke depan, kita bawa ke depan, k tu salin saja, and then power kita tolak 1. So dapat 10x. Okay, kita tengok example untuk lebih faham. So the first example, find dy dx of each of the following. So A, so dy dx akan jadi 4 times 3x 3 minus 1. So akan dapat 12x square. Okay. For B, dy dx, you have to write this. Okay, mesti tulis dy dx tu. So 1/3 ke depan x, 1/3 minus 1. So you akan dapat x power negative 2/3. Okay, so kalau nak tulis dalam bentuk ni pun boleh, sebab dia negative power, kita turun ke bawah. Okay, C, dy dx equal to negative 10, negative 1/3 x, negative 1/3 minus 1. Okay, so negative akan jadi positive x, negative 4/3. Atau 10/3 x power of 4/3. Okay. For D, before kita differentiate, saya rewrite terlebih dahulu. X power of 5 power of 1/2, which is the set. Okay, so it's actually x to the power of 5/2. So dy dx akan jadi 5/2x 5/2 minus 1. So kita akan dapat 5/2x to the power of 3/2. Okay. For E, sama juga. Sebelum saya differentiate, saya rewrite atau tulis semula dalam bentuk yang lebih mudah. Okay, x to the power of negative 1/2 Okay, so you differentiate, akan dapat negative 1 over 2 x negative 1 over 2 minus 1. So you akan dapat negative 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 3 over 2, which is saya letak bawah terus, so jadi positif lah power. Okay, for DEF you have to do it yourself, tapi saya akan bagi jawapan. So the answer will be 3 over x power 6 over 5, and then 50, this one, x, and the last one, the answer is 5 over 6 x power 1 over 6. Okay, that's it.